Now, on behalf of the U.S. Conference of Mayors, it is my honor to welcome a man who has changed the world. It is a pleasure to have you with us, Your Holiness. We look forward to hearing your words of hope and compassion. Ladies and gentlemen, His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama.
Okay. Sit down and relax. I don't like formality, so completely informal. But I don't like among the sort of audience sleep. That I don't like. Completely relaxed, but at the same time attentive way. Oh, then my talk some use. Otherwise, for sleep, then music is better. So thank you very much. You see, you invited me. Come here. I really feel great honor meeting with many mayors of this great nation. America. Mistake. United States, as I always consider, leading nation of free world. In technology, in these fields, this country, I think, produce a lot of innovation. Now I feel, America, your principle is freedom, democracy, liberty. Democracy, liberty, freedom, actually related with warm-heartedness and sense of respect other and sense of concern of others' well-being. So freedom, liberty, democracy is just not slogan. The ultimate source of these principles very much related to our mental attitude. So I hope and I believe, I think this nation also in now beginning or early part of 21st century, I hope, I believe this nation can lead to build a compassionate world.